had to put the socks in the cup. And then you pour the rice. Oh, now we have a rice in the sock. Now we put a rubber band on the top. Now we have a ball of rice. Now to make the head, take another rubber band, put it right between the body and the head.
Can you see?
So, step 5, use another rubber band and make the bunny tail. I let my mom make the bunny tail. Now here's the bunny tail. Now my mom made it. She take a little person and then tie it. She actually made it a circle, tie it, and then she made it as a tail. But now for the ears, you draw the ears and cut it out with the scissors, like this. Now we have the bunny. I asked my mom to tie the bow